Hello everyone and welcome, again, to the Mathematecher channel. In this video we will see how to convert the scripture of number from the bases 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8 to the base 10. So we have 5 numbers. The first of them is the number A, which is written in the base 2 as 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0. The second one is the number B, which is written in the base 4 as 2, 0, 2, and 3. And the third one is the number C, which is written in the base 5 as 3, 4, 0, 3, and 2. As for the fourth one, it is the number D, which is written in the base 7 as 5, 4, and 3. And finally, we have the number E, which is written in the base 8 as 2 and 7. So, let's start with the number A. As it is written in the base 2, and we have 8 digits, then in order to write it in the base 10, we will do its expansion by multiplying each digit by the power of 2 that match it, starting from the power 7. So A would be equal to 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 7, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. After calculating this sum, we find that in the base 10, A equals 214. And now, for the number B, as it is written in the base 4, and there are 4 digits, we will do its expansion by matching each digit to the power of 4, starting from the third power. So B would be equal to 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 3, plus 0 multiplied by 4 to the power of 2, plus 2 multiplied by 4 to the power of 1, plus 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of 0. Which mean that in the base 10, the number B is written as equal to 139. Then we have the number C, as it is written in the base 5 with 5 digits. We do its expansion by matching each digit to the power of 5, starting from the fourth power. So C would be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4, plus 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3, plus 0 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2, plus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1, plus 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 0. After calculating this, we find that C equals 2,392 in the base 10. And now, the number D, as it is written in the base 7, with 3 digits, will do its expansion by matching each digit to the power of 7, starting from the second power. So D would be equal to 5 multiplied by 7 to the power of 2, plus 4 multiplied by 7 to the power of 1, plus 3 multiplied by 7 to the power of 0. And this means that the decimal scripture of the number D is 276. Finally, the number E, which is written in the base 8 with 2 digits, will do its expansion by matching each digit to the power of 8, starting from the first power. So the number E equals 2 multiplied by 8 to the power of 1, plus 7 multiplied by 8 to the power of 0. So the decimal scripture of the number E is 23. So those were 5 examples to convert numbers to the base 10. We hope it was clearly explained and understood. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell for more of this content. And until the next video, have a great time.